Station 1 through 4, let's do it! Alright, so you see the picture on the screen? This is School 1 in the first industrial revolutions of school in the 1950s. And all these students would sit in a classroom and the teacher would talk and they would write that down on paper. There was no tech allowed, and they could sometimes watch videos, but no tech. Only paper and books. And they had basically no collaboration, and they could only talk about the topic that they were learning, which sucks. And these are kids in the 1990s in the school system number 2 of the revolutions. What has changed in the second industrial revolution of school? Students are now encouraged to start doing self-teaching, so doing self-learning with computers and things. And speaking of that, technology starts to get used a lot more for things like widgets, videos, and self-education. And you see, self-solving and use of tech is also used and is encouraged by teachers and students alike. Education is common in these still, and paper is still also used. And now it's School 3! What has changed? Students are now more cooperative, and technology is a lot more used. Students are now allowed to help each other. Group work is done a lot more, and cooperation is a common thing in order to build social character for students. Another thing that happens is co-knowledge and helping each other learn and be smart. Personal info access. So computers and stuff are used for things like personal info access, and technology and more is used. We are still in the pulp tree era and are still using paper and books. Not much is going to change about that. Not only teachers are teaching now, but some students are too. Things like people are going to be helping other students to learn, and that's what's going to be a good thing about schools. Student learning tools were made. Things like idea, creativity, and mind working. That's just an example. And just so all of you know, we still use paper. It's all about the technology. For it to work. And this one is the last one. 4.0. So you see, this one is almost about all the technology. Almost all about it. So what happens is, we still use a lot of paper, but we use technology more. VR headsets might possibly be used. Computers are going to be used a lot more. Possible AI technology is going to be used a lot more, and we're still going to write about stuff. We're going to listen to teachers, and here's the thing. We're going to use these 4 keys. We're going to use idea, creativity, knowledge, and originality. Those are 4 keys to what a human still is in this new era. It's an adaptive way of telling you that you're still human and what you're learning right now. We believe that 4.0 is going to have a lot more technologies like the one I listed, with little to no inclusive things like books, but there are still going to be some. And another possibility, schools might actually be good!